नो बॉल पे रन नहीं मिलेंगे क्या? कीपर गंदा कीपर होता है.
Not able to touch it. I think under the bat is just swinging with his power.
रीस्टार्ट किया क्या आपने शशांक भाई?
हाँ.
ओके. ये सेमिन्यू किसके पास है? लिजू दे रहा है यार नया वाला.
Yeah.
This catch I felt it hard than that.
Yeah, I know.
They are saying that.
What are you yelling from there for?
Left arm over.
Yeah.
Asking me.
Exactly. Yelling at us, right?
He's yelling at you like.
Yeah. Look at the ball. What do I do? Look at the ball. I'm not the ball manufacturer. I'm not the one who mistook the catch.
No, let's use it in our game. After that, just give out that.
Yeah. God, well played. Okay. Ball la.
Good length किधर होगा?
Yeah. Ask Shashank, he'll know.
Move it away if it's a
Go and check what's on it. Like postponing it. Did that on the street around the postponing it.
Yorker, so just hit the bottom, that's all. Everything was good. Good work. ये शेयर करेंगे इसको.
अन्ना ये भी है नया.
Okay. Well played.
ये लेंथ कैसी थी शशांक भाई? बेटर राइट?
Good batting. Lovely bat.
Seasoned player has been playing for so long. They need to have every tantrum. If we don't try, then they have a complaint. If we try, then they have a complaint. So you can not.
When you're trying the balls, for the most important thing, the action they won't do. Take a picture and send it, they will not do that.
Sorry.
Usually by catching is not fucking
Was mistake.
Ooh. Not try and this is the ball for this thing.
That should be the league route, right?
Great cover है क्या?
Did it dip in the last second or?
Right arm over, Shashank.
Good leave.
Good league.
बॉलर रिदम में आने में टाइम लेता है. 2-4 बॉल कस के मार सकते हैं.
इसीलिए कीपर बना देते हो.
No? Yeah, exactly.
You guys are the oldest. Full Yorker डालो.
You have to practice some throws before you go toward it.
बस सीधा आता हूँ.
It's
Throw to the
Shashank.
side ones.
It's all good. It'll
Throw
be
to the
Shashank
side
facing
one.
Shashank.
भाई
It'll be Shashank facing Shashank.
भाई तेरा बॉलिंग डाल रहा हूँ. तेरा बॉलिंग जस्ट इमेजिन यू आर फेसिंग योर बॉलिंग.
You need to feel what others feel.
Hey, nice
समझ
ball.
में आया?
सही अच्छा था ये.
खड़ा हो जा.
अपर कट मारो भाई इस पे. बढ़िया बोलती है अपर कट.
Too tall for upper.
उछल के मारे. उछल तो वैसे ही रहा.
Shot boy.
बट इधर नहीं जाना चाहिए. ये जा रहा है डीप मिड विकेट. एवरी शॉट यू पुल आई हैव सीन जनरली इस एरिया में जाता है. इधर थोड़ा लेट या फिर इसको इधर कट भी कर सकते हो. वेट तो है ही.
You good, right?
चांग भाई लेंस ठीक किया लेकिन
अरे इधर आओ, घूम के आता है इसलिए तो आ रहे हैं। एक बार सीधा आके ट्राई कर।
ये सीधा ही आया उसको
हमेशा ऐसा होता
तो कैसे जाऊँ?
है। यस सर।
और डायगोनल आऊँ कि और सीधा हूँ?
Sorry.
Why are you peppering him with short balls? That's what he wants to play.
I think he's happy.
That's what Dijesh can ball with that.
अभी स्किल सेट में एक ही ऑप्शन है
He's good at fucking bowling.
फिर मिड विकेट पे इधर आया लॉन्ग ऑन की डायरेक्शन
हम लोग कब इसके साथ खेलेंगे?
बॉल
क्या बॉल करेंगे तो मेरे को मत करो।
दे वेयर बट वो स्प्लिट होने के बाद
कितना स्कोर कर रहे हैं? 25 और विनिंग 260 का।
260 होने 9 यार दो तो इजी मैंने देखी यार
तो 3 मैंने एक देखा नहीं होगा। देख के
आउट
देख के पकड़ो भाई।
मेरा हार्ट टूट जाएगा ऐसे कर देगा
ये मिडिल है ना?
मिडिल बता दो भाई
Away from you. That's leg.
चौक है उधर ही
That's
वांट
leg.
मार्केट
That's leg.
मिड पूछा है वो लेग क्यों बता रहे
That's middle.
जाओ भाई भाई की स्लो बॉल पे नहीं बीट होने
The idea was correct though. Everything was just make contact. The footwork, everything was good. Yeah.
आउट
Sorry.
Catch पकड़ेगा. He doesn't leave move and catch. Catch.
Are you going to get the ball good? I have trouble calling it.
We should dip, man. We should dip. Too much flight.
The RCC has a lazy energy to it. I'm not surprised their players are getting hurt.
Yeah. Are they
Step low.
slow? Low, okay.
Because he's behind good length.
Oh yeah. Compared to previous balls, he kept a little low. Shot, good shot.
दोनों फील्डर्स डर गए.
बढ़िया बढ़िया
Is it done रहेगा? I think the guys will have ice, so you can put some ice on it.
Shot.
Dijesh, you want to put some ice on it?
You all right?
Go home and don't bowl anymore.
Yeah,
Just do some batting.
What happened?
You have enough. Go down to the Oh, well played. A ball on in cutter. Came in just a little, right? Well played. Huh? They're hitting 16.
क्या हुआ
This goal, yeah. Good shot, nice.
too full every time
Oh, nice ball. Lagna. Right intentions, everything.
But I think आपका body like you move too little bit too much on the leg.
It was in the arc, ball spin.
Yeah. Everything was clear, just contact Lagna. Good shot.
His
footwork was the ball passed him.
That's right. Doing good. Perfect. This is how if you play like this, because you build up and play a long innings. Getting out of chances will be like bad luck. Getting out will be bad luck. Yeah.
You have played this like the Houston Prairie
What? The tournament? Yeah, twice we went there, right?
No, but you have played in that context of your stuff with Prairie View or whatever.
Yeah. We went up now. College last time. College ticket. We went. I was thinking like
in terms of spin, right? It's more important there.
Oh, it does.
Shot,
Batting,
good
buddy.
batting.
Lovely batting. Then if we batting good, right today?
Much level-headed batting.
Yeah, solid batting.
We have a lot of medium and bowlers.
When we went there, all we had to do was pitch the ball. The ball was doing a huff and the kick.
Good shot.
And that's the first time they tried third wicket for Falcon. And they were not that of a good quality, But now they would have scored.
So saying that we have enough medium and pace. Like the team wants to be like left arm spinners. Then I need to train.
Just keep practicing. Let's see how the keeper situation is.
Yeah.
So I'll do the keeping, and then I can switch between keeping and you want me to like spin.
And now we're going to Houston.
In March.
Well,
Shot.
good shot. Nice. Good batting.
Opening much with backing or
Yeah, he's solid defense, man. That's for opening. Like,
old ball, not the new ball.
no, this one, if he's playing semi, like he's saying 1 down, 2 down.
He's got a good power, so
Then you have to see who do we have as opener. He's a better. I know, but that who do you have opener?
Anyway, this time bully king.
For college cricket. For tournament.
College cricket, Yusuf is there.
Oh, he opens in his place in this
Yeah,
tournament,
that's right.
1 over done. That's better.
He's a lefty also.
He's a lefty.
I played left and cut him onto the ball.
डंडे पे थी वो?
Tried, but
छोटे
it won't
डंडे
get
पे
cut that easily. The seam is very prominent in this ball. You see.
The
You
bat
take your
is
hand.
the bat is crying after we hit it.
Shot.
There was no way. Because if you take a catch like this, there was no recoil. There was no. If you take
No
a catch
room for
like this,
recoil here, yeah.
recoil कहाँ है? पेट है सामने. कैसे हो?
Injuries will happen, and you can't blame the fucking guy.
Shot. Lovely shot.
Even with Asusa, you will get injured. What will they say that?
Any ball you play with, you
Tennis ball also get injured. Yeah, red tennis ball में भी twist कर जाता है knee पर. हमें
Ball लेना तो.
Hot.
ball.
नीचे लगा बच्चा रहेगा. Trying to just put length.
Himanshu, you want to take the ball from him and take some pictures? Because they are, all we have feedback is his mouth for now. The mouth.
An injury.
Get the ball.
Try to get the ball from the other guy also.
Yeah, sure.
Both teams. जाके ले ले.
Yeah, I'll take my phone and then
Anil, just bring the ball here.
they won't give it. I'll give it to the player.
I'll get the ball.
Yeah, ball डाले.
Yeah, मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ, but just in case if they don't.
I will give
Yeah, दोनों balls डाले.
I will give the ball after the game.
Why?
I'll give it to the team's player. If he won't, he'll give the ball.
Good shot, lovely.
Good shot, bro. Hmm? At least still that one person was yelling for ball cutting game. Others seem to be right.
Yeah. Generally everybody's fine, but you don't have that sense of what you say at that time.
It could be visceral reaction.
If it's injury, focus on the injury, guys. Instead of yelling at somebody else, that has nothing to do with it. No?
Visceral reaction.
Yeah, that's all.
Instantaneously what comes to his mind is
Yeah.
But that should come instantaneously.
Ooh.
எங்க பாஸ் போறீங்க நியூ இயர்ஸ்க்கு வரீங்களா நியூ இயர்க்கு எங்க பார்த்துருக்கீங்கடா சொல்லு நீ பார்க்க நியூ இயர் டேல இருக்க மாட்டோம் I'll have deep mid wicket, square, deep square leg, deep mid wicket, long on, long off. If I'm bowling bad, then deep mid wicket will come in, deep point.
Good shot. Lovely. Lovely.
I had to figure out nothing, no plans. My friends are going between Christmas to New Year's. I might join them somewhere, but yet to know. Catch it! Where are they going with friends? Somewhere around. They booked a house or something, but we never signed up for it, so I don't know if they'll pick us up. Okay.
Now the ball that's coming down to the bat, you're doing good. Now he's going to throw some this side, okay? Play them square cuts, pulls, square drives, cover drives, or back foot drives and all that. The back foot defense.
Yeah, that's a single there.
छोड़ like 3 ball के
It's fine.
बाद में ले लेना तीनों
For the square cut, bat should come from ऊपर से नीचे आना. Yours is going from down to up like this. From up to down like this. Strike it without a ball. Just hit the shot. Yeah, like that. Yep.
Open up your bat face.
Keep it down as it goes.
But you're not going to get a contact like that, right?
Yeah. And
How do I
try
get
for
it?
timing rather than power initially. Focus on hitting it, making contact first. That's it.
sorry
Too wide.
छोड़ still going
There you go.
That's a
it.
good shot. That's an awesome square trap.
but one thing is that you're moving this leg here
पीछे का leg, हाँ.
so you should move
Yeah,
your
that's it.
back foot and
That's it.
not yeah
You know?
Yeah. Even a square cut, most effective one will be all your square cut is hitting in front of square, right? Point K right there, huh? Once it is here, it's going towards here, right? Effective perfect square cut will be it goes in the W. That means you have to wait just a fraction of a second more. Contact is behind. The ball you have to hit the ball here now. Hit the ball here. And you have to wait for a bit. If the ball is coming slow, wait for it and hit it here. If the ball is coming fast, obviously you have to hit this properly. If you think about the field position also, there won't be anybody there, right? Yeah, you have a deep point रहता, if you have a third man. So everything between is a gap. Then nobody is usually there. So you're getting maximum bang for your buck.
I only got one.
Okay, whatever.
Nothing bad with the ball.
Yeah. What?
Yeah. If this ball lasted 25 overs, I cannot imagine they are complaining about this.
That's why we need to get the ball and take pictures and then shut them out.
They're saying मेरी तरफ से तो ना है, तुम्हारी तरफ से होने से क्या है?
Watch it. You took a picture of this already?
No.
ले ले पहले. We'll play with this now. So the MCC guys didn't get the ball, huh?
They said they gave him. They
all
gave
the
these
stories.
guys stories. So I don't know who is it.
Take a picture.
Oh, make a short video.
Sun will. It's 25 overs, right?
Yeah. Almost completely.
There's still shine on it, nice
Yeah.
shape and everything.
And the shape is good. The
Seam is good.
part with this
Just डालो आम से.
it's not
Dala.
like a synthetic felt.
Yeah,
That will cut even more.
right.
These pictures are good.
You want sides? You do both sides?
Bend down and square cut.
Share and take it. Like you said, you want to take a small video also?
Big shot, right? Yeah.
Help me. आपने rotate करते हैं.
Yeah, nice shot.
There you go.
They're saying it's not nowhere no better than SG ball.
Ah.
Oh, next game?
Oh. When I'm not playing,
Yeah.
I come and umpire just to see everybody. But yeah, the opponent should be good.
Shenanigans. Everybody shenanigans.
I don't want to umpire when.
Hey, good length balls, you know. It should be front foot.
मैं तेरे को पता चल तू खुद कर
That
ले.
was a good.
Where's the MCC team?
इतना बोरिंग करेगा तो अंपायरिंग में बोर हो जाओगा.
Oh!
I give you 50 hours. You umpire.
One guy was hitting sixes at the end though. Okay, this is the Kukupuro ball.
25 overs used to.
Mm-hmm.
Ball भी बोर हो गया.
Slightly coming hard.
Hard, right? Yeah. It's still semi-new, kind of. Feels very small on the hand compared to the way you get bowling.
Good shot. 2 hours done by me.
Nice grip, अच्छा grip है.
Yeah. कभी ग्रिप नहीं मिलता है तो कंप्लेंट, कभी ग्रिप मिलता है तो everybody's query is also problem.
Yeah, I know.
You should say this is the ball for this place, play with it.
Yeah.
If you have issues, don't play telling.
And if you hear complaint,
Grip अच्छा है.
Grip is
Yeah,
good.
all the balls we've been practicing today, this has a nice grip on it.
Yeah.
Wait, wait, wait.
But seam prominent है तो अगर जो टाइट ग्रिप करता है उसका हाथ छिलेगा ओवर टाइम.
Oh.
But that's there with everybody.
That is what kind of grip they are having.
If it's gonna take, where did he finger cut? कहाँ पे कट का होगा? Split में. He took a catch like this.
Although any ball will hurt you like that, yeah. Will split your hand if you catch it here. Did you saw his hand?
Oh! Hopefully it's catch behind or it's not stumping.
Yeah.
I'm not going to ask them if they behave like that.
Yeah. Give him some square cuts.
See, most of the ball they are saying it's good. These teams are the ones that complain.
Short one.
Yeah.
The ball is
out.
hard, the seam is becoming egg.
वहाँ मार बॉल को उस तरफ मारना है. इस साइड बॉल को कैसे?
Gully, gully.
This ball has retained its shape, right?
No,
Oh,
just
yeah.
you touch it like this, it's gonna boundary. कहीं पे भी.
Spin डाल के.
You try one ball.
Yeah.
रिजू तू भी एक बार डाल के देखना. ये बॉल just like for one ball. So how do you?
कोई नहीं आएगा बॉल को देख के मार
I think we should make a checklist for Google Doc for them. No, look, is the ball in safe?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Only yes or no.
Finally, one comment
You
box.
seem prominent and
Finally, one comment box with an because I said it's not really. But you can rant whatever you want. Put like the suggestion box are there, no? You should go to suggestion box. You can put whatever you want.
picture of the ball. If their review is it's bad, played on.
Yes.
If their review is it's bad, then Z ball, I'm not trusting that review. Yeah.
Straight away.
You bowl that ball, Sridham?
No, I haven't.
Okay, bowl.
Collecting Mr. Lijesh.
Yes, yours the ball one, guarantee.
Someone else wants to pad up?
The next person, let's give him target.
Narration is there.
Go. The pad up person. You talk me for this.
Ooh, this ball is juicy, man.
Huh?
The ball is got good. That's good revs and all that stuff.
Grip अच्छा आ रहा है, right?
Grip is good on the hand. Good hand.
Which one? All the three?
विजय जैसे पकड़ता है, विजय के हाथ पे चिपक के रह जाएगी लग रहा है। दो तीन बॉल डाल के देखा बता।
Shot ball.
हाँ? How do you feel?
Cutting.
हाँ, नहीं कटिंग इसलिए क्योंकि सीम बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, राइट? अगर जो टाइट होल्ड करता है तो सीम लाइक हार्ड
something on the way, okay? Back in an hour or so. Keep your right.
Shot.
Eggs also there, I forgot.
Utter disrespect.
Tamru give him potato curry and rice, okay? Give him egg also, okay? We'll go to the park for cricket and do it.
बढ़िया। Coming.
Right.
It's a little small, right? In the hand?
Yeah, but
I think the ball,
kind of
the ball is a bit smaller. Though.
Or when you hold it, when you release it.
release it.
The
Yeah.
ball is smaller, right? Isn't it?
Ball feels a little smaller, and it's like if you grip it tight, then the seam while releasing will make a rubbing kind of feeling.
Shot. Catch.
Catch.
We'll just better then.
Why one or
Vijesh, I want to know why you said no for lunch when you are here practicing like this right now.
No, I have a meeting around
Because lunch is like 6 hours, remember?
That's
You have to
fine.
do cooking and
Spending 6 hours. Bend down, wait for it, and then should go there.
I'm taking a pad.
Yeah.
चाबी दे दिया था, right?
Okay, चिल्ला यार. अरे, see what you did.
Good pad.
ये कौन सा तरीका है catch करने का?
Right, it's a good technique and all that stuff, but the ball might have hit here.
Yeah,
hit
hit
here.
here, कहीं भी।
You can't like judge taking catch and like it's just fielders.
हाथ काट दिया तो नरेश कैसे responsible है? I don't know. वो हाथ काटा, नरेश is responsible.
Might be Naresh was starting with the fielder. That is what it can see.
All I did was hand over the ball that he ordered the ball, and I
Okay,
made,
good shot.
all I did was I made sure they had the ball for the for the game today.
You should have said, don't yell at me, Himanshu. Himanshu, don't yell at me, yell at somebody else.
They have no right to yell at anybody.
Anybody, yeah.
They are the ones asking for better balls, better balls, better balls.
Shot, but
We are doing the due diligence by finding new balls.
I will let them, man, you guys provided this ground, so we got injury. All because of you dirty the ground.
I can understand if they're driving like this
Huh?
unless the ball is
No, white.
It was
Unless the ball
way,
loses
but
its shape, then you can't
Karthik,
get
I'm
it.
more worried about is you did this. So
or
open
the
up,
seam comes out.
CA balls,
So it
I
doesn't
agree.
hit the ball
Wanda
anyway.
one class. That
Not like
thing
this,
is
right?
brand.
Just
We cannot change it.
open your leg
Maybe
up.
it's a bad ball. That
and
bad
let the ball.
It's also like you have a lot of views here, right? It's
Yeah.
wetness to make it.
This is a non-waterproof ball. I was not expecting it to do good in view. It
Yeah.
has the shape.
Yeah.
It would have been interesting to see the first innings ball, but no, I don't know where it is.
फिर मीडियम रुक
क्या? रुकने के लिए बोला था?
बोल के तो कर पहले स्पिन डाल रहा फिर मीडियम आ गया
अच्छा. Sorry.
भाई उसका हर कुछ एक ही पेस पे आता है इतना क्या इसका पेस पे तो डरता है मार मुन्ना मार रन्स कैसे आएंगे हर बॉल पे यादव मानो तभी आउट होता हूँ चूज द बॉल बट यू डिडंट इवन हैव द बैक लिफ्ट फॉर इट One thing all the batsmen do is
Yeah, play it.
put their fucking feet in the ground and don't watch
Watching
it.
the ball to the last second.
Like it's like stuck in the ground.
That move in here just a little bit, right? Came.
But you've got awesome fucking arms, back and everything.
Medium.
Right? Yeah.
How was that? Wait up.
अच्छा टारगेट दे दो
Target दे दो भाई. Last 12.
12 balls.
24.
24.
24
Yeah.
12 balls 24
बाहर की फील्डर बता दो बस बाउंड्री.
How many, Sriram?
4
4? इधर नहीं है आपको फील्डर.
है फील्डर लेकिन गंदा फील्डर
गंदा फील्डर नहीं, उधर फील्डर है. 2 रन है भाई, 2 रन.
बैट्समैन ने अच्छा शॉट मारा यार खुश
बताओ,
कर दो
बताओ. क्या है डीप स्क्वायर आपका?
आई हैव अ डीप स्क्वायर डीप मिड विकेट लॉन्ग ऑन लॉन्ग ऑफ
और उधर
स्वीपर कवर
स्वीपर कवर किधर बैठता है भाई? अच्छा स्वीपर कवर ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा डीप एक्स्ट्रा.
Good shot. You saw that? You played a little late behind, right?
या
Behind good and goes in the gap too. You played behind you.
शशांक भाई मेरा है डीप पॉइंट,
That's a 4.
डीप कवर, लॉन्ग ऑफ, लॉन्ग ऑन और डीप मिड विकेट.
And that was a 4.
ओके. कितना मिला?
6
6 रन 2 बॉल राइट. तो कितना नीडेड? 18 नीडेड इन 10. Beat 18-9. हाँ ले पीछे से साइड से. भाई छक्का मारते इस बॉल पे.
Yeah, you had time to step out for that.
कितना एक सिंगल मिलेगा इस पे? नहीं.
नहीं नीड द बॉल 18 in 7 8 18
8-18.
Good shot. Lovely shot.
single can power it because you know
Yeah.
don't give it in the
कितना?
1 run.
1 run.
7-17
7-17.
you see that shadow of that post cutting him across before him वहाँ पर pitch कर हाँ that pitch it in that length
2.
pitch it shorter than that
हाँ छोटा.
16
2 मिलेगा 2.
6-15 2 5-13
2 again.
Yeah.
5-13.
Good shot. 6. 6, huh?
Should be.
had the power and the elevation slow elevation
Flat, yeah.
कितना? 7.
7 in 4
7-4?
no not 7 it was 6 right
13 ना? 13 था ना इससे पहले?
Balls push up, ball.
4 balls right
Yeah, you said 7 balls.
7 in
7 in
7 in runs in 4 balls. 1.
1.
6-3
6-3. nice. No boundary, no boundary. Tight bowling. दो तेज मारा तो एक ही मिलेगा.
2 balls or
What how many runs did he give?
एक
He gave one.
मेरे पे एक आएगा राइट.
6 and 3, 4 and 2.
4 and 2 balls? Leg spin कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ बीट
4 and 1.
आराम में स्पिनर.
बली का बकरा.
राम भाई
शशांक.
चांस भी आप
शशांक इस बकरी को पकड़ा.
यहाँ आप बनोगे. नो बॉल.
दोनों पे ध्यान भटक गए.
He targeted
batsman. Was it a no ball?
No. It was good. मैं तो दोनों का ध्यान भटका रहा था.
दोनों बली का पकड़ा.
दोनों में. मेरा लास्ट बॉल 4.
Last ball 3.
अच्छा 3. काय बात की नो नहीं है ऐसे ही बोला था मैं.
Bad umpire, bad umpire.
Yeah, for winning our umpiring will do anything.
हाँ, चौका नहीं.
Boundary.
ना ना.
1 or 2.
Good shot, good shot. Middle of the bat, so it might go for 4. I don't know why you discount middle of the bat as not 4.
भाई मिडिल ऑफ द बैट फेस नहीं था. शॉट में इतना जा ही चौका. आप बताओ.